To use the multi-point connection on JBL Tune 720, first we need to power on our device. You can do it by holding this power button right here for a few seconds. When the LED lamp starts flashing like this, we can begin connecting it with our smartphone. I'm gonna start with the Android phone on the right and then pair a new device. So as you can see, now it's connected with my smartphone, and to connect it to another phone, in this case iPhone, but you can also go with the Android, you need to double press on the power button right here. 1, 2. Pairing. It will enter a pairing mode again while it's still paired to the smartphone on the right. Then we need to enter a Bluetooth settings on this iPhone. And on the bottom, there's the JBL. Connected. And now it's connected to both of the devices.